once again. It is 22nd of April 2025, currently 12:30 p.m. and I have found this interesting jetty here close to my hotel, as the coast over here is mainly consisting of rocks, so they have made an entrance to the sea, and there is even a sign that the path is not supervised and to watch out for jellyfish. So this is probably the closest beach, if I can call this beach, to my hotel, Sunwing Cala Bona, that has the worst beach ever I have ever seen. So they should learn maybe from this hotel, which is, I think, Mar Mallorca or something. Another hotel here, I think it was a TUI based. So they have made a jetty at least into the sea. So yeah, I'm in Mallorca and this is day 4 of my beach adventures here. I'm gonna be heading a bit north again to the same beach I was yesterday for this afternoon, as I have fitness classes at 3:30 and at 4, and after that I'm gonna go to the other side, south, in Cala Bona, which is a super nice beach, but it's quite far, 3 kilometers one way from my hotel, so I wouldn't have time to go there now. Maybe I can get up a bit earlier tomorrow and go there to enjoy a full day over there. But yeah, we have 21 degrees Celsius in the air. Satellite measurement says that it is 16.4 degrees in the sea in Mallorca, Palma. But yesterday I have measured temperatures up to 21 degrees. So let's check it out, how it is today. And check out the entrance here at the jetty. So while I measure, I can let you enjoy the views of the Mediterranean Sea. The water looks clean here, definitely clean, so it will be a nice swim in the sea. As it is out of season right now, there are only very few tourists, but still the hotels have some tourists. It is 20 degrees Celsius, so yeah, my measurement says 20 degrees Celsius, which is a lot warmer than what it is satellite in Palma. So this coast might be also warmer, or maybe closer to the coast is warmer. I don't know, where do they take the satellite measurements. However, let's then go in for a swim here, because why not? Here's the view of the coast. There is a tiny rocky beach over there, but the entrance is very bad into the water, and the water was not clean over there when I saw the other day. And after that bay over there, there is one small sandy beach that I really liked yesterday, continuing by one larger beach that I didn't like, but it was larger and more sand. But the one that was smaller and known and secret was a bit better. So let's see what we have here at the entrance. So we have a few steps into the sea. You can see how clear the water is. And when I step in here, there are rocks. So yeah, but at least it's deep enough to dive in. So let's go. Oh my, the water is so clean. I can see everything below. So nice. Nice one. I enjoy also this type of beaches with the jetty. We have a lot of them in Sweden. They are very common. It's very convenient to get into the water, especially when it is not the best entrance with rocks. So this was nice. I can come here also often for a swim, as it is 20 degrees as I have measured. I believe now more my measurement than the satellite measurement that is being done. So it's quite warm for the time of the year. So it is only day 4, so I have 11 more days to explore Mallorca. I really need to visit some other cities, so I will be doing some research. Where should I go in the upcoming days? Palma will be one of those days for sure, but there are also many buses throughout the island, so let's see if I can explore more of this east coast or check some on the south coast of Mallorca as well, where Palma also is. So yes, greetings from this wonderful jetty in the hotel complex here. But you can get into the jetty without passing by the hotel, as there is a way, and all the coast here is basically free in Mallorca and in Spain also, as in most of Europe as well. So the coast is for everyone. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and I'm going to see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.